Here are some scrap pieces and some lumber cutoffs throughout the years that I have collected. I've got some boat arc here, some good orange wood. I also have this plum tree, and some maple that both lost them to the drought a couple years back in my backyard, so cut these down. Also have this fig tree that we trimmed up, I don't know, about a year ago. Some red oak from a project long ago as well. And then this is a mesquite tree that I cut up the limbs and kind of threw them together, but apparently there were worms or bugs or something in it. I mean, you can see all the dust coming out of it. So we'll see how that turns. I'm taking over the bandsaw and get them cut up. Piece of mesquite. Definitely pull the tailstock up to it. Even though I'm having it inside the chuck, pull the tailstock up to it pretty tight. I have been wood turning for about a year and a half now. Self-taught. Nobody's ever taught me really anything. I did have one small lesson with a master wood turner one time. And his name is Ken Mays in Waco, Texas. Really nice guy. But I turned one bowl with him. Wasn't really a lesson. It was more of a, I knew him, so he helped me out. Okay, I now have all of these pieces done. All I need to do is finish up a little bit of sanding on them, and then drill the holes, and we're good to put glue the magnets in. Woo, got away from me.